Hello YouTube, this is Drugoli from Finalizing, and welcome to the next part of my 3D printer redstone tutorial. It's been a long time since the last episode, and I'm sorry about that. You can read a little bit about why there's such a big delay in the description. But enough about that, let's get going to the tutorial. So what we're hopefully going to do, this could end up actually being split up. I don't know how long this is going to take, but we're going to connect our thing right here. And by the way, this zoom is provided by one of the 3 mods I've installed. I'm not sure if it's single player commands, up to fog I think it's called, and too many items. I don't know which one actually does it. I think it's up to fog. But we're going to hopefully connect this over here, our little counter system, to our memory towers. So first of all, we want to connect the AND gates here to a line. Right now we can't actually utilize the memory, so we want to have something connected to this other part of all of the AND gates. So I'm just going to do this for one of them, and then you can use copy stuff to get it onto the other ones. I'm going to do that, so you can also just watch the video if you're confused. So let's go ahead and bring this over here. And as you can already see, we're going to have some interference problems here. If I put a line, that's going to interfere. So to stop that, we're just going to simply click here. I said click here. Oh, there we go. Just some blocks, so now it's not going to get affected. If you put something here, that actually wouldn't make a difference. Anyhow, let's get this back. Just give me a second. And let's also start connecting the other one over here. Looks like we're going to have the same problem, so we're going to do like that. Thing is, what we want to do is we want to have all the bottom AND gates connected together, like that other part of the AND gate there, connected to one specific line, and then that line is going to be connected to another AND gate, which is a combination of that one, or the outputs from that, and the outputs from that. So let's just get this going. We need to actually get one more out like that. We do like so, and then we just connect the other one, then we're going to have all of them connected together, which is what we want. For this one, we can just take a little bit further this way. We don't have to do exactly the same. So let's do it like that. And now we're going to add some of this stuff. We need to make sure the power can get to both of these sides, no matter where it is we're coming from. Like in here. But we're going to worry about that when you actually add the AND gates to that. Okay, so we got that one's connected. So if we had the repeaters on here, we could do like that and activate all 3 of them. You can see it's only the middle one that's activating. These don't get far enough. So just to fix that, let's actually just add this now. It's a lot easier to do it when you're in the middle of it. This should do. So when we add power there, it gets both places. What if you add power over here? Alright, still good. Do one more test all the way over here. There, it doesn't quite go. Well, that's okay. I'm just going to add it to somewhere in the middle here. So let's do the next row. Exactly same principle. Going to bring it back. And we're going to add that to stop them interfering. We might actually be able to just have these right on top of each other. Let's get it over here. That. Here again, we're not going to have any problems since this can't give power to this up here. So let me just add this while I'm at it. And this one. Again, it won't interfere, so it's all good. No problems. Alright. This is a lot about in this build, about copy-pasting the same stuff, because it really is just the same thing repeated over and over for each tower. That's also why if one of you guys want to make it bigger, like actually print out more than just a 3x3x3 square as we have for there, that's the maximum we can print out at the moment, you can just add more towers and more layers. You need to have one tower for each one of the rows you have, and then an extra layer for the amount of buttons that are actually on each layer. So yeah, pretty cool. Oh wait, I'm messing it all up. You actually need one tower for each button you have like that, and a layer for how many you have down. I think that's how it is. Alright, enough of that. But it can be expanded. That's just what I meant to say. It can be improved to actually give out bigger printings. I just thought the 3x3 was good enough. You can't really use a printer like this in a, I guess, practical manner in Minecraft. You can't actually print it out and then bring it with you like that. You're gonna have to destroy it then and then build it. So, and you won't have enough time to actually just like build the entire printer because you want to build a little 3x3x3 square. So there's really not that much practical use. It's just a really cool creation and something fun to do to showcase your awesome redstone skills. Alright, so we got that down. Now we want to have 3 AND gates out here, which is again going to be connected to those 2. So if I've made a little marker here, so I know where I am, I think I'm going to go like here. We're going to go up, and we're going to create a AND gate. So we might be wondering why I'm actually building it up in the air, and that's because we're going to have a line going here, so we might as well just build it up like that. Alright, so this would be for the yellow there. This here connects to that there. Then we're going to create another one over on this side. Just need this as well. And we're going to create another one over on this side. So this one I'm standing on here, the one to the left, this one, we're going to connect to that one, the red. And this one over here, take a guess. We can connect this one to that one. That was so tough to guess, right? Yeah, I know it was. Alright, so creating the AND gates. The torches, there we go. And I do not like that hole anymore. Get away. And last 2 torches. So this one is going to be connected to that over there. That's pretty simple. We just get this down like that. And we can just, I think we're actually just going to take it straight. That's the easiest. Just straight like that. So let me check all, nope. So we can just check if it works. See, that one actually did not turn off. That one did turn off, and there it didn't turn off either. Oh yeah, it's because we actually need to have an AND gate here. So we're just gonna do it like that. Boom, there we go. So this one over here, there turned off, it turned off, and over here, it turned off. So we know this AND gate here is good now. If that's flipped, we're sure that that's gonna work. Right, so let's do the next one. I'll try and keep the color coding. There's not gonna be any color on that, sadly. We could add some color up there. Yeah, you know what, let me actually just do that real quick. It'll make a lot more sense if there's actually some kind of color on this. Just a little bit, so you don't forget which is which. Alright, so this one we're gonna need to connect to up there. So if we just start taking it upwards immediately, that's the simplest. There we go. Add a little repeat tab. And we're going to test it out. You can see that that one turns off in the middle. I can't see that one. That one also turns off. And that one over there also turns off. Awesome. So it works. Lastly, we need to connect that all the way up to there. So it's going to be a little far up. Oh, wait, actually. I think I might be doing something wrong here. Yeah, I am. I actually, by mistake, I switched these around. This one actually needs to be the red, and this one actually needs to be the green. So I'm going to do a real quick cut here, and then hopefully these are going to be switched around. So give me a second. Alright, really quick cut there. And just to make it easier when we actually get the outputs from over there, it's easier to have the red one be the first and then yellow and green. So it's just for convenience. Alright, so now again we're back on the left side, which actually I might need to explain that again. The left side, this one with the green, connects to green. Yellow connects yellow, same as before, and red connects to red. So switch around from a little moment ago. Alright, so this one we need to get up. See if we can actually get it all the way up there. it can just barely make it. So it's hopefully gonna be good. We just add repeaters there. That one worked. Add repeater there, and maybe move that one up to there. If we do like this, we have the same delay on all of them. Alright, so let's test it out, see if the delay, if it gets everywhere, gets there, and it gets there. So there, we're good. That one's working. Alright, see. So that was this thing. And this you can use MC Edit, or maybe you can use some other type of in-game world edit to copy that to this, and then back over to this group of towers. It's the easiest for you to do. That's why I'm telling you to do that. It's because it's the easiest. Easy is always a good thing. Alright, so let's move over to this thing here. So this is a counter like we had over here. And right now we can't use the counter. Like if we had this thing over here, it would always be giving out power to there, even if it was actually this thing here that we needed. So we're gonna use a tiny little decoder, or actually, yeah, it's a decoder. It's not encoder, it's a decoder, to hopefully get the power. There we go. Just flipped it by mistake. To get everything how we want it to be. So we're gonna add repeaters here, and here, and here. Then add a 3x3 row of these blocks of whatever it is you want. Then we add a piece of redstone, 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 and then over here, repeater, repeater, repeater. We don't have repeaters all the way through. That's to make it as quick as possible. Now you can't every second time you have a row of something decoding, you can use a piece of redstone. So now to actually program our decoder, we're gonna have 3 torches like that here. Oops, there we go. And over here we're gonna have 2 torches like that, and here we're gonna have 1 torch like that. And we're gonna have torch here and here and here. So that's that layer, and we build up and add a torch here, here, and here. Alright, so that was pretty simple, right? All makes sense. So up and up. Now what we're going to do is we want to create a little row here going above all of the torches, which what that's going to do is it's going to be the output from our decoder. And then we're going to get a little bit further. Torch, torch, torch. Wait, that's actually a little bit too far. This should still be good if we use something there. Yeah, I think we're good. That's all I got. Then we add a piece of redstone up here, so it's actually connecting to our decoder. You see, they turn off now. That's the correct thing, because right now we don't want to output a signal to that, or that, or that. Alright. So that decoder is done. Let me just show you how it works. Just really, really quickly. So, if this thing were to pulse, there would be a block going up here. Wait, that's actually... if there were a block that came up here, that's if it had ticked 1 time, then all these torches here are going to turn off, which means that this line over here will turn on, because right now that torch is off, that torch is off, that torch is off, so that line turns off, and then the torch turns on. If the second one is there, it's going to actually... let me see, where is it? It's yes. Over here, it's actually going to turn this torch on and give out power. So it's only the middle one now where everything is turned off. So if I take that now, you can see that it gives out power to that and to that, so they are off, and this one... Oh crap. Oh crap. Oops. That was not what I meant to do! Stop! Phew, saved it. Alright, that was not part of the plan, but that's how it works. Simple. Alright, so this thing we're going to directly just take this way. This is going to connect to the first set of stuff right there. I actually want to bring it out one bit. I'm wondering if it's actually far enough. It's good, it's good. This one we're going to get out to there, like that. And this one I'm going to bring out to here. So since this one connected to the first tower, not first tower, but first group of towers. That one there, the second one, is going to connect to the second group of towers, which we have right there. And the third one is going to connect to the last group of towers. Really simple. So I think I'm just going to try and use my world edit from single player commands to get all these things out to where it is I want them to be. It's going to be the simplest and quickest. So let me just do it like that. I'm going to synchronize all of them. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Should be good. So there, and I'm going to use the copy feature, copy paste. You can also do this in MC Edit, but it's simpler just to do it right here if you have single player commands, or you can place it for single block. That also works. So there we go. I'm going to go over here, be above it, slash copy. Now we're going to go over here to right above there. I'm going to slash paste. The hell? Okay. Actually didn't include those blocks, so let me try and do something. So that's going to be in first position. I'm going to copy. I'm going to go over here. Then we need to go with a little paste. Oh god. What the hell? Undo. What is going on? It's not working like it's supposed to. Somehow it copied what was over there. Yeah. I don't know what else is going on with this single player commands. It's not working for me for some reason. I have no idea. Let me just try this one more time. I want to copy that position and that. God dang it. Come on. Sync in position, damn it. There we go. Finally. So I'm going to go over and stand here and do slash copy. Block copied. Stand here and do slash paste. It doesn't want to copy the redstone for some reason, so I have no idea what's going on. So let me now just copy this. Yep. I wanna copy. There we go, so that's far enough. Alright. That should be good for now. Let's just get all this connected as it is we actually want to do. So we're going to go get this all the way back. And again, it's really just all about copying and pasting the things until you have for all three towers. It's a lot about copy pasting. So now that is connected, so when that turns on, that's going to activate the lower part of the AND gates. So let's go over here and we're going to make another decoder, which can use a little different color, just for the heck of it. Still this orange here, so you know that decoder, that's orange. Alright. This one's actually going to connect a little bit differently, since this is not a part of our 3 layers or towers over here. So, you can do like that, like that, like that. And the 3x3 grid of blocks. Arrange the torches in the same manner as with the other one. Actually, I think that's something I haven't done. I haven't apologized for the very loud keyboard sounds that I've noticed starting to pop up in my videos. It's just my mechanical keyboard that's a bit loud. I like it, but some people might find annoying, and I apologize for that, but there's not much I can do about it. I don't want to change keyboards. Alright, so this is going to be an output for different things. As I said, this one here is going to be the red, that one here is going to be the yellow, and that one here is going to be the green. So different layers. This one here, we're going to do that a little bit different. We're going to get that up here. We're going to get it out like this. Get some, oh no. Get some redstone on top of here. And then we're going to add torches on all three of these. So that what that's going to do is that when it's done counting, it's done printing and everything, that thing is going to come up and activate all three of these. All three of these lines will then turn on. So no layer is selected, alright? No layer is going to be selected when that thing pops up in the counter. That also means, so these over here would all be off as they are right now. So what that's going to do is going to stop the machine from trying to copy even more stuff. Like maybe there could be some kind of mistake. So we'll try and copy something again, since a new line of copy material out that we don't want. So that's why we have this fourth here, which is going to connect like that. Right there. Alright, so this we need to bring up, and we need to bring it over. We need to get it up to at least this height. That height. So let's just get there, alright? We got it. That is right here. We need to get at least up to this height. So we're just going to take it around first. We're just going to do like that, actually. So that's actually the height that we want to have the block. No, it's not. That's the height we want to have the blocks. So again, do the same here. Just going to bring it up at the same time. So over here, we're going to do the same. So now we're going to bring this over here, over to on top of these lines. Alright, and this last one here is going to go on top of the other line. So we have them running kind of the same spot. There we go. So I'm going to extend this back. There we go. And this one here, do the same. Oops. Just extend it all the way back here. We're going to need it to be back here anyhow. Yeah, that should be good. So this one here is going to directly connect like so. So let's just do like that for now. Now we need to have all this redstone here. We need it. I need to get all the way back here, even though it's tedious and annoying. I'm gonna do the other one. Alright. I'll probably want to turn them on so I can see how far they go in terms of repeaters. Tedious, but you have to do it. Get that there. And the last one. There's not much to say while doing this other than just place, 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 place. Spam that little right mouse button. Not there. Alright, there we go. So, let's add the repeaters now. We're gonna get it synchronized when we actually get over here. So we're gonna have the same repeaters. Wait, that's actually a little wrong placement there. We can do like that. And it's just so it's easier for us to place the other repeaters further forward, so we know that we just place repeaters same line, and then we know, okay, it's gonna work. Just make our lives a little bit easier. Right, so now we got the power to get go all the way over here. So we want to connect this thing here. We can't do it like this. This is also going to work. You can see it turns off. So that's good. And then we can do the same thing right over here. Get it over like that. And boom. So now we have all of these three connected to the other part of the AND gates. So now this, yeah, I was moving up my hand there, that was pretty stupid. With these counters would be going, they would, in theory, they can right now since this is not connected, that will never be turned on, it can't really count forward. But it would actually take the stuff here and output it out. We'll only do the first one for now. But yeah, now we have this stuff connected, so what you need to do now, because else it would be a hourly long tutorial, is you need to go into MC Edit and connect this line here to this kind of construction on this tower group. So we need to create this, copy that over to there, have these AND gates copied from there over to here, and then connect this line to those AND gates. Then you do this the exact same thing over here with that line right there, the one that's under the green one there. You connect that to this group. Then you take these need to go to all three groups of towers, and then you do the same thing. You have a red AND gate, which is the first one, and you have the next one, which is the yellow, and you have the third one, which is the green. You again connect the green to the green, the yellow to the yellow, and the red to the red. So that's what you need to do, and if you don't remember how to use MC Edit to copy and paste, you can check out my previous tutorial on where I showed you how you could copy the memory towers. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to leave you with a little question here, actually. What is the best movie, your favorite movie you've watched in cinemas, like new movie that's came out in 2012? What's the favorite movie so far in 2012 that you've watched, and why? And also, what is your favorite movie of all time? So that can be from any time period. It could be the first movie that came out in 1895, or it could be maybe a new movie that just came out like a week ago. You decide. So post that in the comments. If you want to know mine, my favorite movie of 2012 is The Avengers. It's a freaking amazing movie. You can go watch it if you haven't already. I can really recommend that. My favorite movie of all time, I have for a long time said it's Rain Man. I don't know why. Yeah, I just thought that was a really cool movie. So those are my answers. Post your answers in the comments below. And thanks for watching.